Hello, honey. This one's Zora, remember? Say, go ahead, brush the goat. Oh, she wants Zora. That's a girl. Oh, you're going to brush me. Okay. Sure.
Go brush the goat, Kayla.
Thanks.
Yep.
Thanks.
Brush his hair. He likes it.
Look, they're eating. They're eating.
Good job.
43 to Bear Panther Keeper.
Good job.
Oh, now Mommy's
Thank you.
First aid kit. Super. Thank you. 243 out. 383.
Look, there's one over there all by himself. Go brush his hair. Yeah. Oh, you like the white one? He's in the shade. He's smart.
She's going to brush all of them.
Aww.
That a girl. I'll bet
How
you
about
they
over
like
here?
that.
Look, there's
Over
two.
Here, a black one and a white one.
Aww.
Perfect. Perfect.
Brush his hair. Good job.
Very good. Hold on, she said.
Good job. Here's a brown one. Look, there's a brown one. Brown one. Good girl. It's a white one.
She's especially pretty. That one right there.
Yeah,
The light color against the little bit of dark.
black feet.
Oh my gosh, she's loving
I
that.
knew she would.
Yes.
She just had to.
Loving it.
Look, there's another one in a bucket over there. See him in the bucket? Yeah,
That's Zorro again.
I think so.
For some reason, he likes the bucket.
Oh, look at his little face. Hi. Mama pet him? Oh. Can I take one home?
Papa would throw you out.
Oh.
Where'd she go?
Hi.
Do you like the kids?
Mama likes it too, Kayla. Mama wants to take Zorro home.
They're so cute.
He's cute. Oh.